Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this dystopia look and Trust the Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose 4 hairs. This one, and also this one. This hair is from the masculine hair, and also this one. Okay, and then you're going to color it with this brown color. And then you're going to put on this item. You're going to make it toggle 4 and then color it with this color. And then put on this earphone. Just leave it like that. Leave the original color. And then you're going to put on this jeans. You're going to add the pockets and then you're going to make it this color. And for the material, you're going to choose leather. And then for the shoes, you can choose this one and just leave the original color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this top area. And then we're going to put on this top. And I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to put on this top. And I'm going to apply pattern. This pattern. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on the sleeves. And for the sleeves, I'm going to apply this pattern. Alright, and then I'm going to select this item. We're going to make it all black. Okay, just make it all black. Like this. Okay, done. And then I'm going to move to the dressing room. But wait, let me put on this knife first. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from here guys, I'm going to go to this menu. And I'm going to put on this skirt. We're going to color it with this color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to apply this pattern. And for the third selection as well. And for the fourth selection, I'm going to make it this color. And also for the fifth selection. Alright, and then I'm going to choose this top. And I'm going to make it toggle 2. Then we're going to apply this pattern, this one, for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. And then I'm going to go to the curves item and put on this jacket. We're going to make it tied jacket. And I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, and now it's done guys. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this dystopia look and Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.